Hello friends, good day to all of you. Today's recipe is a simple salad from the Gujarati cuisine. It's called Sambharo. It's usually made with carrots, grated carrots or beetroots or the combination of both. This warm salad is really relishable on a rainy day or in winters. You can relish it as a salad or as a side dish along with your meals. So let's get started to make this salad.
Carrot and beetroot sambharo. A stir-fried, warm salad from the Gujarati cuisine. You can relish this as a side dish, salad or a snack. For this we'll require 1 cup of grated beetroot, 1 cup of grated carrots. Grate them from the larger side of the grater. They have to be coarse, not very fine. You can see the same way I've grated the beetroot also. And then we have pumpkin seeds 1 teaspoon, muskmelon seeds 1 teaspoon, a generous pinch of Asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/3 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, salt to taste, few curry leaves, and green chillies. Here I am using a green chilli preserve that I always make and keep. I am sharing the link in the I button. You can check it out. It's really very handy. And then we have 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's get started with the salad. First we are going to dry roast the seeds. Stir them continuously on medium flame until they get roasted. This may take about half a minute. You can see the seeds are popping up. This is when they are ready. You can remove them in a plate and set aside. Now heat oil in the same pan. Add the tempering ingredients first. Starting with Asafoetida, mustard seeds, methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, curry leaves. Give them a stir while they are crackling. Once the seeds start spluttering, you can stir in the grated beetroot and the carrot. Toss them with a spatula. Do this on the high flame as we don't want to overcook the beetroot and carrot. They have to be crunchy. So this cooking has to be done on the high flame. Now season them. Add the green chillies first. Salt to taste. Mix them together. Chilli level can be adjusted to your liking. Some people like to add lot of chillies, which gives a zing to this salad. I'm keeping it milder. You can see now the vegetables are a little limp, which means it's done. Keep them crunchy, don't overcook, and squeeze out the lime juice on top. Check the salt. Adjust the salt and seasonings as you like. salad is ready. Dish it out. Actually, Gujarati dishes, they add little bit of sugar also, but the carrot and beetroot have their own natural sweetness, so I have not added any sugar. Here we go, the salad is ready to be served. Finally, garnish it with the roasted seeds, pumpkin and muskmelon seeds. They really add to the flavor, the roasted and crunchy seeds. You add these just before you are serving. So make and enjoy this delicious salad. Makes a very nice healthy side dish, or you can relish it like an evening snack also. I hope you like this recipe and you are going to give it a try. So delicious and colorful platter. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so and click on the bell icon to get notifications of the new uploads. You might want to check out these videos from my collection. Have a look. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.